As an administrator, you can force install or decide which Android apps users can install on their managed Chrome devices. Users can't automatically install Android apps. First, you need to enable Android apps for Chrome devices in your domain and approve apps. If you're a Chrome for Business customer, the managed Google Play Store is available for these Chromebooks using Chrome OS version 53 or later. For Chrome for Education, the managed Google Play Store is supported on Chrome OS version 56 or later. Android apps on Chrome OS use the Android and Google Play Management Framework. If you enable Android apps and the domain already has an Android for Business subscription that uses a third-party enterprise mobility manager, EMM, such as VMware, AirWatch, or Mobile Iron, then the existing subscription and EMM combination is used. But other aspects of managing Android apps on Chrome OS are managed through the Google Admin Console. If you enable Android apps and the domain doesn't have an Android for Business subscription, one is created automatically and Google Device Manager is selected as the EMM. Go into your G Suite Admin Console. Go to Device Management and then Chrome Management. Click Android Application Settings. Accept the terms of services for Android for Work. Select Enable Android applications to be managed through the Admin Console. To check if the Android for Business subscription is enabled, you can go to the Billing section and you will find it there. Also, click Security, then Manage EMM Provider for Android. Verify that Google Device Manager is listed as your EMM provider. If you already have a Google Mobile Management or a third-party EMM as your EMM provider, then the provider will be listed, even though Android apps on Chrome have been enabled. Note: enabling Android apps on a Chrome OS for your domain does not automatically enable it for individual users. To give users access to the apps, you must also enable the apps for the organizational units. Step number 1. Go into your G Suite Admin Console. Go to Device Management and then click Chrome Management. Click App Management. Use the App Type filter setting to display Android apps. Use the Type filter setting to display My Configure Apps or Approve Android Apps. Click the plus button. Search for and click the app you like to approve. Click Approve. To accept the app permissions on behalf of your organization, click Approve. Click on OK. You can also approve apps in Manage Google Play. Sign in to Manage Google Play at play.google.com/work using the Manage Google Play Administrator account. Search for and click the app you like to approve. Click Approve. To accept the app permissions on behalf of your organization, click Approve. Click OK. Optional: to view a list of all approved apps for your organization, click My Company Apps from the Apps menu. Step 2. You can specify the type of installation available for each of your approved apps. You can create a subset of apps that users can choose to install and also create a different subset of apps that the system automatically installs for every user in your organizational unit. For the list of apps you approve in Manage Google Play, You can choose a subset that the system automatically installs for every user in your organizational unit. When the user logs into the device, the system automatically starts to download these apps. Note: this policy is independent of any other Android phone or tablet policy you have in place with your third-party EMM. That means that you can have one set of apps configured to force install on your Android phones and tablets using a third-party EMM, and a different set of apps configured to force install on Chromebooks using the admin console. Going to your G Suite admin console, go to Device Management and then Chrome Management. Click App Management. On the left, select the Android apps from the App Type Filter menu. Click the app you want to configure. Click User Settings. On the left, select the relevant OU from the orgs tree. Turn on Force Installation. Turn on Pin to Taskbar. Click Save. Note: while the apps are being downloaded, the user can see a Stop button. If they press it, the download is stopped. Another attempt at the installation is made at the next login, and installs attempt will continue until the apps are successfully installed or until the app is no longer part of the list of apps that are forced installed. If you don't want to force the installation of apps, you can create a list of apps that your users can voluntarily choose to install. The apps must be selected from the apps that you have approved in the Manage Google Play. Note: if your organization is using a third-party EMM to manage Android phones or tablets, this option is not available to you. If the EMM has joined Manage Google Play, the user sees the store layout as designed by the EMM in the Manage Google Play Store on their Chromebooks. If the EMM has not joined Manage Google Play, the user sees an empty Manage Google Play Store on their Chromebooks. And the only way for them to get Android apps is to configure the force install of approved apps. Going to your G Suite admin console, go to Device Management, and then Chrome Management. Click App Management. On the left, select Android apps from the App Type Filter menu. Click the app you want to configure. Click User Settings. On the left, select the relevant OU from the orgs tree. Turn on Allow Installation. Click Save. App configured to allow installation appear in the Store Home section of the Manage Google Play Store on the user devices. By default, user can only install approved Android application on their Chrome devices, but you can allow users to search and install any Android apps they want. Go to your G Suite admin console. Go to Device Management and then Chrome Management. Click on User Settings. Search for the Android application sections and look for the Access to Android applications. Set it to Allow. Click Save. Step 3. Before you let Google Play Store be installed on Chrome devices, make sure you approve and configure apps for users. Otherwise, they might see an empty Google Play Store in their device. Going to your G Suite admin console, go to Device Management and then Chrome Management. Click User Settings. On the left, select the organization to which you want to apply the settings. Go to the Android application section. Select Allow from Android application on Chrome devices beta menu. Click Save. Step number 1. Before users can get Android apps on their Chrome devices, they might need to update their Chromebook software. Make sure that the Chromebook is updated to the latest Chrome OS version 53 for business customers or version 56 for education customers. Step number 2. After you enable Android app for users in your organization, users see the Google Play icon in the shelf at the bottom or side of the screen on their Chrome device. On a Chromebook, open Google Play Store. Click Agree to accept the terms of services. Step 3. Users can install approved apps on their devices from the Google Play. On a Chromebook, open Google Play. Click the menu button to click on Store Home. Browse or search for the app you want to install. Click the app you want to install. Click Install. Optional. Review the requested access permissions and click Accept. To see a list of Android apps installed on the device from the menu, click My Work Apps or My School Apps. If you find this video useful, please like it and share it in your social networks and subscribe to get notification when a new video is released. If you want to know how to do something on the admin console, let me know on the video comments and I will go ahead to do a video about your request. I am Mac and see you in my next video.